Just took first place in the Speed Silhouette Pro Class. 4 years in the making. So close every year, but could never do it. But we finally did it. Feels great. I'm a little emotional. If you hear me breaking up, that's why. Thank you to all my sponsors. I have a tricked out Air Arms left-handed conversion from Troy Hammer, the man, the myth, the legend. A lot of practice, a lot of work. And just by the skin of my teeth, man, those Day-State guys are right on my ass. Really stoked. I sound like a broken record, but elation. That's the only thing going through my mind right now. Absolutely incredible experience. Finally. And I'm going to do it again next year, so don't forget.